Top 7 Foods That Clean Your Kidneys. Welcome to a healthier you. Let's talk about the top 7 foods that cleanse your kidneys. First up, we have watermelon, a hydrating fruit full of kidney-friendly lycopene. Then, cranberries, famous for protecting against urinary tract infections and kidney stones. Next, red bell peppers. Low in potassium and packed with vitamins, they're a kidney's best friend. Don't forget about garlic. Its antioxidant properties help your kidneys function better. Cabbage is another low-potassium veggie that supports kidney health. The omega-3s in fish can reduce kidney inflammation. Lastly, strawberries. Not only tasty, but also rich in antioxidants and fiber for healthy kidneys. Your kidneys will thank you.